Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Agilent's second quarter fiscal year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, Agilent has reported some interesting numbers this quarter. Can you give us a brief overview?
Absolutely. Agilent reported a revenue of $1.67 billion for Q2 2025, marking a 6% increase from the same quarter last year. Their non-GAAP EPS came in at $1.31, which is a 7% increase year over year and above the analyst forecast of $1.26. This performance is largely driven by their Ignite transformation initiative, which is enhancing operational efficiency and growth.
Revenue and profitability overview. And let's start with the top line. Agilent reported a net revenue of $1.67 billion for the second quarter, which is a 6% increase compared to last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this revenue growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by strong performance in their Life Sciences and Diagnostics Markets Group, which saw an 8% increase in revenue. Additionally, the Agilent CrossLab Group contributed significantly with a 7% increase. These segments are benefiting from Agilent's strategic focus on core markets and operational efficiencies.
And how about profitability?
On the profitability front, Agilent's non-GAAP net income was $373 million, translating to an EPS of $1.31, which is a 7% increase from last year. This is a positive sign, especially considering the GAAP net income saw a decline due to restructuring and other costs. The Ignite transformation initiative is clearly paying off in terms of operational efficiency and margin expansion.
Segment performance. John, can you break down the performance of Agilent's different segments for us?
Certainly. The Life Sciences and Diagnostics Markets Group reported revenue of $654 million, up 8% year over year, with an operating margin of 19.7%. The Agilent CrossLab Group generated $713 million revenue, a 7% increase, with a robust operating margin of 32.4%. However, the Applied Markets Group saw a slight decline in revenue to $301 million, with a margin of 19.5%.
What does this tell us about Agilent's strategic focus?
It indicates that Agilent's strategic investments in Life Sciences and CrossLab are yielding results, while the Applied Markets segment may need more attention to address its challenges. The strong margins in CrossLab highlight the effectiveness of their service and support model.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Agilent provided for the rest of the fiscal year?
Agilent has set a full-year revenue outlook between $6.73 billion and $6.81 billion, with a non-GAAP EPS range of $5.54 to $5.61. For the third quarter, they expect revenue between $1.645 billion and $1.675 billion, and a non-GAAP EPS of $1.35 to $1.37. This guidance reflects their confidence in continued growth and operational improvements.
How does this align with market expectations?
The guidance is in line with market expectations and suggests a stable growth trajectory. The focus on core revenue growth and operational excellence through the Ignite transformation initiative is likely to support these targets.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did Agilent CEO Padraig McDonnell share about the company's performance and strategy?
CEO Padraig McDonnell highlighted the success of the Ignite transformation initiative, which is central to Agilent's strategy for accelerated growth and operational excellence. He emphasized that this transformation is crucial in navigating the highly dynamic market environment and is a key driver of their financial success.
What does this mean for Agilent's future?
It means Agilent is well-positioned to capitalize on growth opportunities while maintaining a focus on efficiency and profitability. The strategic initiatives are designed to enhance their competitive edge and ensure sustainable, long-term growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Agilent has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with revenue of $1.67 billion and a non-GAAP EPS of 131 cents, beating the forecast of 126. Their strategic initiatives, particularly the Ignite transformation, are proving effective in driving growth and operational excellence. John, any final thoughts on Agilent's investment prospects?
Agilent's focus on core markets and operational efficiency positions them well for future growth. The positive guidance and strategic initiatives suggest a promising outlook, making it an attractive option for investors looking for stability and growth potential.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Agilent's performance in the comments below. Until next time.